in 1999, me and my wife, we bought a piece of land in Scoresby and we built a factory. Little by little, we showed our products to the major supermarket chains and they started liking our product mainly because it was unique and of good quality. We started working on building a new facility and we rented this place and we built a factory here. Currently, we are one of the major suppliers for the major supermarket chains and the major other retailers in the freezer and the chilled areas.
We're a family business. It was started about 25 years ago and we continue to maintain our independence and flexibility in our operations. And we've been able to grow as Australian pallets have grown and expanded, and that's given us lots of opportunity to sort of bring new products to market. We have a team of about 100 people now and are looking to constantly innovate and continue growing as a business. We haven't lost that agile ability to deliver products really quickly to market, and I think that's what Coles and Woolworths and some of our really large customers appreciate.
Our business in the chilled area has grown significantly. Almost 40% of our turnover currently is in the chilled area, and we needed some sort of solution to automate the process. Previously, we were hand labeling and recording the stocks manually.
iDSnet is our package code management tool. It is 100% made in-house at Matthews. It was developed in the late 90s for a series of citrus packers. It has since grown into one of the most trusted package code management tools in the country. iDSnet was first deployed at AIF around 5 years ago now as our preliminary deployment of our new platform, which is a no-code platform itself. And that means that we can deploy and not interrupt your production line when we do any changes and the like. AIF has been on that journey with Matthews that entire time and mitigated a lot of risk of errors for their business, doing that automated check-in process, removing any risk from operators, and ensures that the right code goes on the right product at the right time, and when it arrives at the DC, the right information is received by the receiver as well.
With the introduction of the iDSnet system, we were able to automate the whole process, which eliminated any mistakes in labeling. In collaboration with the SAP system, we were able to push out the use-by dates, which was very useful for us.
Currently, we have 6 lines, all serviced by Matthews. We've got Evo labelers, Honeywell printers, Lynx TT printers, Imperia and CIJ, and we recently also acquired 2D scanners which would be fitted onto the TT printers. All these equipment supported by the iDSnet software, which we have integrated with our SAP Business One system, which has automated the whole process.
The iDSnet system was quite robust, very easy to operate. The operators understood how to operate it very easily, and the service levels of Matthews was very good. So we were able to handle and easily transform our manual system into the iDSnet system.
The project scoping with Matthews was very easy, and then the final implementation stage was also smooth. I must say the experience was really good given the fact that the team was really supportive.
The version we had been on had been around for a good 10 years plus, very stable, very reliable. However, it needed to change with the modern manufacturing era. With that, we came up with our no-code platform. By doing that, we can deploy remotely, we can make changes, and we can do everything without doing any coding at all. AIF, along that journey, was here to help. With a very unique manufacturing processes, that meant that it truly tested the skills of our team and tested the limits that iDSnet can do. Now it's a fully integrated platform into their business that they couldn't run without today.
AIF is on a significant growth path, so much so that we are looking for a third building for us to expand, and I'm sure we will have Matthews helping us work in the new facility as well as we grow.